Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the JEFOO Sports Aviator sunglasses. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get it out of its box, comes with a travel case, which is great, solid, which is really important, frankly, to me. Kind of a hexagonal shaping on the top. It's good to be able to travel with these, put them in your cart, in your car, whatever you're looking to do. Some information there, cleaning towel, also a portable bag, which is nice, giving you a secondary option. If you don't want to use a full case, you can just use that. And then these things are going to be plastic, and that's the goal here, is nice and kind of flexible, bendable, something you can kind of chuck around if you need to and not worry about blowing up a pair of $200 sunglasses or anything. But overall, they're lightweight. I'm going to have a rubberized nose piece here. Looks like there's some grip on the ends by your ears as well, behind your ears. This kind of feels like a little bit of grip from here on. So we'll go ahead and try them on, show you what they look like. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take these outside to test them a little bit, but just wanted to show you kind of in the lighting what they look like, and we'll test out. I've actually got 3 different pairs that I'm going to take outside and test them all at once. So we'll go ahead and go from there. But this is what they look like. All right, so these do a really nice job of protecting your eyes from the sun. Again, I can kind of stare at the sun, which is obviously not advised, without too much problem. It really is a very comfortable look and feel for me. So these are great, super comfortable, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.